What if I told you that some of the richest people around you don't look rich at all? They don't wear designer clothes, they don't show off luxury cars, and they don't post their wealth on social media. But behind that simple lifestyle, they are financially far ahead of most people. We've been trained to believe that wealth looks loud. Big houses, expensive watches, luxury vacations. But real wealth is often quiet. It's hidden. It's strategic. And most people completely miss it. In this video, you'll discover 13 signs that someone is secretly wealthy. Once you understand these signs, you'll start seeing people very differently. Let's begin. Sign number 1. They don't try to impress anyone. They don't feel the need to prove their success. They don't chase validation. They don't seek attention. Because when someone is truly wealthy, they already know their value. Sign number 2. Their lifestyle looks normal. They don't upgrade their life every time their income increases. Instead, they upgrade their investments. While others spend more, they save and grow more. They live below their means, and that's their real power. Sign number 3. They value time more than money. They are willing to pay to save time. Because they understand something most people don't. Time creates money, but money can't create time. They protect their time like it's their most valuable asset.
Sign number 4. They avoid bad debt. They don't use credit to impress people. They don't finance a lifestyle they can't afford. If they use debt, it's usually for investments, assets, businesses, opportunities. They make debt work for them, not against them. Sign number 5. They rarely talk about money. You won't hear them brag. You won't see them flex. They keep their finances private because real wealth doesn't need attention. And the louder someone talks about money, the more likely they don't have it. Sign number 6. They invest consistently. They don't wait for the perfect time. They invest regularly. Stocks, real estate, businesses. They understand one simple rule. Money should work, even when they are not.
Sign number 7. They stay calm during financial crises. When markets crash, most people panic. They sell. They fear. They freeze. But secretly wealthy people, they stay calm. They look for opportunities because they know wealth is often built in uncertainty. Sign number 8. They think long term. They don't chase quick money. They don't fall for get rich fast schemes. They focus on steady growth, year after year, because they understand real wealth takes time. Sign number 9. They have multiple income streams. They don't depend on one paycheck. They have different sources of income. Investments, side businesses, assets. So even if one income stops, they are still secure. Sign number 10. They ask better questions. They are always learning. They want to understand money, taxes, investments, business systems, because they know the right knowledge multiplies wealth.
Sign number 11. They don't follow trends blindly. They don't jump into hype. They don't invest based on emotions. They think. They research. They decide logically. Because discipline protects their money. Sign number 12. Their network is different. They spend time with people who think bigger, who build, who grow, who challenge them. Because they understand your environment shapes your future. Sign number 13. They look surprisingly simple. No flashy branding. No loud lifestyle. Sometimes, the richest person in the room looks the most ordinary. And that's exactly the point. Now, here's something important. If you noticed even a few of these signs in yourself, you are already ahead of most people. Because most people focus on looking rich, not becoming rich. But there's a big difference. Looking rich costs money. Being rich builds money. So the next time you see someone living simply, don't underestimate them. They might be playing a completely different financial game. And if you truly want to build real wealth, start thinking like this. Move differently. Spend differently. Invest differently. Because wealth is not about what people see. It's about what you build when no one is watching. If you found this video valuable, make sure to subscribe. Because on this channel, we break down money in a simple, real, and powerful way. And comment below, which of these signs surprised you the most? Or how many of these you already follow? I'll see you in the next video.